Okay, so I'm gonna get right to this because I think this is such an easy way to help you grow your YouTube channel, and actually really any social media channel. And it's something really, really easy to do and something that so many people miss out on. So I can only assume that maybe like people just don't understand what this does for your channel or whatever it is, whatever account you're on, whatever social media platform. This like helps with all of them, and that is just to engage with your audience. It is so easy to do. So if someone leaves you a comment, that is like a little piece of gold in YouTube land. The algorithm loves comments. They love any kind of engagement, likes, shares. So not only did this person now take the time out of their day to comment something to you, but they also helped your video and probably didn't even know it, because that now boosts your video within the algorithm. YouTube sees that someone commented. That is, like I said, they love that. Then it also sometimes will spark conversations in the comments, and it can also lead to more comments because other people watching or looking in the comment section, when they see that the creator of the video is responding to other people, then they're more likely to leave a comment or ask a question because, they think they're more likely to get a response. It also really, really, really helps you to build your community. It's what's gonna set you apart from other videos to that person. If they got a response from you and you genuinely help them on whatever it is, then they're way more likely to come back and watch your other videos in the future. So responding to all comments to me is key. I do not ignore any. I will respond to every single one. You can go check my videos. I do this on my Pinterest account, and I also do that on my blog. Obviously, it's not realistic when you get really huge. You can't respond to every single one. And I'm not saying you have to do this, but it's something that I do. It's just really important to me to respond and take a minute to engage with that person because they took a minute of their time to either comment or say something to me. So not only responding to your own comments, but also commenting on other creators' videos. So that can go such a long way. YouTube sees that, again, you're engaging. They like people who are on the app, who are also engaging and interacting on the app. So it helps you, and it also helps the other creator in such a big way. You just did all these things for their video too. So we can't forget to help each other, especially all of us that are small starting out together. And here's something separate, just kind of another tip that I think is really important to gaining genuine subscribers, is to not lose focus on the reason that you started your channel and not get lost in making YouTube videos about making YouTube videos. So I've shared in other videos about how I learned that documenting your YouTube journey, the journey with your channel, can really help, that YouTube likes to push out those videos. And it's helped. I've had some success in that department, and I do think it's worth trying, and I'm definitely not saying don't do that. But my main point is don't lose sight of the reason you started your channel. Don't just start making videos about what you're doing, because honestly, you won't have an audience at some point. You have to have a reason or an audience that you are making the content for. And they won't mind some videos sprinkled in here and there about what you're learning on YouTube, but if they're there for, like for me, for recipes, then they're gonna expect to see videos with my recipes. So let's not give up. I am still so small, just like so many of you probably watching, because that's probably the reason you clicked on this, because you're small too. But we got this. For me, I'm just staying focused on trying really hard to make content that people want, pay attention to what people are asking for in the comments, respond to all of the comments, each and every one of them, and just try and pay it forward. Whatever I'm learning, pass it on and help some other people. And don't forget to engage on this one. If you can help me out with a like or even a subscribe, that would be amazing. I hope to connect with some of you other small creators out there too.